Wala, kalalaro lang.
Off night.
Off night. Kalalaro lang eh.
Off night. Kakalaro mo lang ba ulit?
Oo.
Box, sayang.
Puro project eh.
Good! Taking three. Not good. Rebound by Jerome. Kenneth. Pass to Cyril. Rebound by, still by number 5. Pass to number 21. Pass to taking three. No good. Rebound niya. 2 points. 2-0.
Ngayon pa lang kasi dumating ako,
Load.
855 eh. 855 ako.
Pass to Prince. Prince sa ilalim. 2 points. Counted niya. Counted. Ay, traveling. Violation. To Fernandez. Alley-oop play to Broso. 2 points. Broso. Assist by Fernandez. 4-0 in favor of Team Buck. No good. Rebound by Rel. Crossover move. Rel. Lumipat. No good. Rebound by Jerome. Pass to Jose. To Jerome. Steal by Francisco. Alley-oop play to Rel. 2 points. Rel. Assist by Francisco.
Wala yung dalawang kasama.
6-0. Cyril. Steal by Francisco. 2 points. Francisco. 8-0. Nugget, rebound by Broso.
Hindi tama lang, hindi na finals na. Kasi magkakain. Wala. May talo na pala isa tayo. Kabila. Nga pala, wala pa.
2 points, Broso.
Talo na nga pala yan eh.
Steal by Rel, easy layup. 2 points, Rel. 12-0. Grabe. Tambak na. Foul by jersey number 0, Rel. First team foul. Jose. Pass to Nobleza. Taking 3. Nakaya. No good pa rin. Rebound by Rel. To Fernandez. No good. Rebound by Jose, bumangga. Jose, gumawa ng paraan. Wala pa rin. Rebound by out of bounds. Good ball yan. Fernandez, alley-oop play. 2 points, Francisco. Assist by Fernandez. Jerome. Ayan na kaya. Wala pa rin. 14-0 na po. 2 points, Francisco. 16-0 na po. Foul. Second team foul. 6 minutes and 26. Jose. Wala pa rin talaga. Ren. Wala pa rin. Rebound ni Yuri saya block by Prince pa rin. Woo! 2 points. Prince. Ang ganda nga nun. Pasok ka sa cups. Ay, mabawi pa rin ang galaw. Block pa rin ni Prince. Pero may kasamang foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Foul by jersey number 0, Prince Ese. Last possession before change. Last possession. Fernandez. Guarded by Damasco. Fernandez. 10 seconds shoot. Yuri. Change court na po. Ay, di ba po lang? Change court na po. Score 18-2. 16-point lead by Team Buck. Grabe, mababawi yung timba. Nakuha na yung rhythm. Steal by Fernandez. Fernandez, sinabol ni... 2 points, Fernandez. Sinabol ni Nobleza pero nagawa ng paraan ni Fernandez.
Player to, maputi.
22. 15 seconds to shoot. Steal na naman by Broso. To Fernandez. Alley play to Francisco. Wala. Pero rebound nino. Rebound ni Fernandez. Fernandez, wait. Fernandez. Fernandez pa rin.
May galaw na point guard.
12 seconds to shoot.
May galaw
10 seconds to shoot. Rel. Sumubok sa tres. Patay ang bunike. Rebound nino. Rebound ni Broso. Ang sipag nun. 3 seconds to shoot. 2, 1. Shot clock violation. Good ball.
Dito mamasa rin.
Dito mamasa rin kanina. 2 points. Delse. 24 ang score. 4 minutes and 26. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points. De La Cruz. Yuri. Steal by Fernandez, pero out of bounds. Good ball. 22 points. Ang ganda pa sa kay Manuel. Wala pa rin. Sayang yun. Pinapatayan ng dalawa si Yuri. Yuri, pass to Francisco. Taking three. Francisco. 25-4. Grabe yung alley play to 2 points. Reese. Grabe yung ginagawa ngayon ng timba. Nakuha na yung rhythm. 3 minutes and 33 seconds. Fernandez. 10 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot.
drop pass.
2 points, Broso. Assist by Fernandez. Jose pa rin. Sayang yun. Bola po. Pakuha po ng bola. Baka lusot. Score 27-6 in favor of Timba. 2 points, Cyril Manuel. 27-8.
Tumabiling mo lang. Tumabiling mo na. Lalakad na.
Nobleza. Ano tawag? Foul.
Paul. Pero para.
Foul. Yan sila sa loob.
Loob lang yan sila dyan.
Good ball. 2 points, Fernandez.
Wala akong shooting.
Damasco lumipad. Wala pa rin pero naribo ni Prince. 2 points, Prince. 29-10, steal by. Lumipad din, 2 points.
Pag wala akong shooting.
Kenneth Deose. 2 minutes and 26, 29-12. Makakakuha na. Tumira na naman harap-harapan si Francisco. Wala pa rin. Iba ni Cyril, makakakuha kayo ng paraan ng team Babawis. Cyril, short jumper. 2 points, Cyril Manuel.
Sino tam?
14-29, 15 point lead. Last 2 minutes. Sa design niya yan ng Congressman kung saan maraming puno. No good. Foul. 30 foul. 14 seconds to shoot. And seconds to shoot. Steal. Pero nakakuha pa rin ni Rel. 2 points. Rel. 1 minute 42. Nobleza gumagawa ng paraan. Nobleza short jumper. Wala pa rin. Rima by Rel. Easy lang daw, sabi ni Rel. 31-14. Grabe yun, 31-14.
Ilan naman?
17.
16
Ah, 16.
Wala pa rin, Yuri pa rin. Sa ilalim, wala pa rin. Pero ang laki niyan. 2 points, Yuri de la Cruz. 33-14. 1 minute 13. Long 2. No good. Rebound by Damasco, 100. 2 points, Jerome Damasco. 1 minute exactly.
15.
15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 3, 2, 1. Good ball. Lima by Sayri. To Diose. Diose pa rin. Diose pa rin. Gumagawa talaga ng bola si Diose. 2 points. Kenneth Diose. 30 seconds left. 25 seconds left. Crossover move by Fernandez. Fernandez pa rin.
10.
10 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 2. Good ball. 9 seconds left. Shot clock on. End of the ball game. Panalo. Ang ganda ng panalo nila. Panalo ang Team Buck with a score of 33-14.